Hi, my name is Anthony Carter. I'm one of the sales representatives here at Hillbrush. Today I'm going to talk to you about our bag hoop. This product was designed here in Hillbrush. It comes in multiple colors, and we've got our black variant, which is made of recycled material, showing a very good sustainable message. It has been redesigned with a flat loading area, so when you're underground, it makes litter picking from the floor a lot easier as well. So it differs from others. It provides you with the ability to pick up greater weight. It's very flexible, it's very durable as well, and very easy to put together. As you can see, the bag hoop has been designed with a secure locking system that holds trash bags into place, so when heavy items are dropped into the bag, it stops the trash bags from shifting. So our bag hoops go hand in hand with our litter pickers. Due to its lightweight properties, you'll be able to use these on the move while having both hand in hand. You can use these in different situations, for example, festivals, fairs, schools and colleges, anywhere where litter picking communities are, anywhere where roadside litter picking is required as well. Just to show you how the handy hoop works, or the bag hoop, so it can be used in conjunction with one of our wall brackets, which is our code HH2. So using the top bracket, it can be used as a portable pop-up bin in a festival, for example, and having the bag hanging there, all the festival goers can use it as a quick and easy trash center. And also for storage purposes, you can hang it in that manner and put it away nice and easy. So in terms of the functionality of the product itself, very easy to open, nice and easy, very flexible as well. And obviously, once you close it and hear the clicks, you know the product is nice and secure. Okay, so just to put it into practicality, I'm just gonna open it up and put in a bin bag. Okay, so feed the bin bag through. And of course, have a little bit of the bin bag hanging over the product just to create a nice and secure fixing. Okay, and put the lid back on and start from the top, waiting to hear the nice clicks. Just identify that the bag is secure. Okay, and once again, nice and easy to remove and take away.